Hello and welcome to another video. Now I've been asked quite a bit lately, what is the memory that I use in most of my PC builds? Now this is the stuff, this is the Ballistix Sport DDR4. Now I've got it in red here, you can get it in white or in grey. Comes with this nice little digital camo theme going on. Now the RAM is quite a low profile, I think that's about 30mm in height, so it should fit under most CPU coolers with relative ease. As I say, the heat spreaders really look good, but also they're very well protecting. It's very rigid, and they do a great job of keeping the DIMMs cool as well. So the DIMMs I use are rated at 2400Mhz, and these have got latency timings of 16, 16, 16 at 1.2 volts. So installing these is easy. You just open the plastic clips on the outside of the DIMM slot on the motherboard, line the DIMMs up, they'll only fit one way around, the notch on the DIMM matching the notch on the motherboard, and push down firmly until the clip clicks back closed. Now what I found with these DIMMs once I installed them was that the BIOS went and set them up already. All the timings were there, all the speed was already set up properly. I didn't have to do a thing. It was absolutely brilliant. Now one question that comes up a lot is compatibility. After using this memory with both Intel and AMD systems, I've used it in Skylake, Kaby Lake and Ryzen systems, I can tell you that there's absolutely no cause for alarm. It's run absolutely fine on every system I've used it on and it's been very stable. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. I wouldn't be using it myself otherwise. So I'm going to be using this in a few builds I've got coming up on the channel, so keep an eye out for those coming up very soon. Well, I'll leave a link to the Ballistix Sport DDR4 in the description below. Please use our Amazon and Overclockers links. It really does help to support the channel. Also, if you want to support the channel, you can get a nice little t-shirt like this from our Spreadshirt store. I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. So give this video a like if you liked it. Keep watching the channel. We've got loads of videos coming up very soon. Got PC builds, reviews, loads of really good stuff. So the best way not to miss any of that is to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. You just click the big red subscribe button underneath the video. So thanks for watching and I will see you later.